Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off Facebook Professional Mode. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I'm right here in the Professional Mode section of the dashboard, and if you already have Professional Mode, you'll know it's a way to monetize your Facebook account if you're an influencer, creator, or business owner. But if you're ready to turn it off, maybe because you've had enough of it or you just don't need the features anymore, here's exactly how to do it. First, you need to be on your personal profile, not a page or a group. Once you're there, look for the three dots on your profile, which is the universal More symbol. Click on those, scroll down, and you'll see the option to turn off professional mode. Click on that, and Facebook will show you a warning message explaining that if you continue, again, they will give you warning. They'll also remind you about pending payments if you've been monetized, so make sure to review that before confirming. At the same time, certain things won't change. Your current friends, followers, and profile content will stay the same, and your Who Can Follow Me setting will remain public, though you can adjust it anytime in settings. Once you've read through everything, click the blue Turn Off button to finalize. This will turn off professional mode and reset everything back to a regular profile. To double check, click the three dots again, and instead of turn off professional mode, you'll now see the option to turn on professional mode. That's how you know it's been successfully turned off. And that's it. So that is how you can turn off Facebook Professional Mode. So that's all for this video. Thanks.